to another episode brought to you by Backyard Zombie. I am so disheveled right now. This whole room is a mess, but I got a package today from Paleface&Co. and the House of Masks. They did a Secret Santa that I participated in. I actually sent my Saw pig mask into the Secret Santa, and I have received my Secret Santa gift. So I'm very excited to bust through this box, show you guys what's inside. I think they threw some goodies in there, I'm not sure, but I'm very excited to receive a mask from another person, and this is just such a cool thing. And I know it's in the, right at the tail end of January, but this is still really, really cool. So thank you so much, Paleface and the House of Masks. I love you guys. And yeah, let's break into this box. So I knew this was my Paleface&Co. box because they actually sent it back in my box, and I actually sent them one of my destroyed Loot Crate boxes. I like these boxes. They're black, and I was just able to just send the mask over to them in this, and they repackaged and put my Secret Santa gift in here. So let's bust it open. There's a way to get in here. They taped it really well, so thank you, Lady Paleface and Bishop, and I'm very excited to get through this. Okay, so I gotta cut the top off as well. They taped super well. Okay, so you guys see what's inside? I don't, so let's bust through it. Oh wow, that's super cool. So here's the first mask. There's two masks in here. Oh my god. This is like a old Halloween mask, and it has lights. And oh, this is so neat. I actually really like old school like Halloween masks, so this is like really sweet. And I'll have to test if the batteries still work, because this thing is just super cool. It's got a little hood, and yeah, as you can see here, there are wires to these lights, so I'm gonna test if these batteries work, and I'll show you that in the video here in a couple seconds. But let's keep breaking into the box. And I saw this sticking out, and I am so excited because I don't own one of these. Oh my god. It is a Trick or Treat Studios Michael Myers mask. Wow, I don't own one of these, and I watch so many rehaul videos on people rehauling these, and wow, you've just given me a little project, so I'm so excited to get my hands on this. Just wow, that is so freaking cool. Got some. Just making sure there was nothing else in this mask. I am so excited. Like, this is the best part for me. I don't own this mask, so being able to rehaul it and follow a video and being able to such a good sculpt, and it's tagged. I don't know, man. This is so cool. There's some more fun stuff in the box, so let's keep diving in as I stop nerding out about this. We got a Merry Christmas from the House of Masks and Paleface&Co. I think this is either a picture or a sticker. I'm not sure, but I'm going to put this right up here. And then we got a little bag of candy with a Shaun of the Dead pin. Oh, there's some, okay, there's more. Okay, there's more in here, so I got to bust through this as well. So there's a bunch of candy. Candy. Oh, well, there's a lot of stuff in here. We have a Paleface&Co. business card. That's very cool. We have a Keep This Coupon raffle. Oh, wow. I'm going to have to look to see what this raffle ticket is, because I don't know what this is, and I'm not going to show you my number. Again, we have this little... Oh, a Ghostbusters 2 pin. That's so neat. I love that. We have a Mask Light sticker. Really cool. I think this is Lady Paleface, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but it's a very cool pin. It's going to go on my pin board. And then a Shaun of the Dead pin, which is also really cool to go with all my Shaun of the Dead. So I am nothing but a happy recipient of these masks from Paleface&Co. and House of Masks, Secret Santa. That is so neat. Thank you guys so much for putting this together. Such a neat little thing. I'm actually going to link down to both of their channels and to that video they just put up of their tour showing off all the boxes from the Secret Santa. I believe 58 people participated in this, so that's really freaking cool. And I'm so excited. These are super cool, and they're gonna look great in my little collection of horror masks. This is gonna be a really fun project to do a rehaul for. I'm just so excited. It's the 2018 mask, pre-cut on his cheek, so I'll have to put that in there, and I'm gonna rehaul the crap out of this. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.